The Competition Authority of Kenya is honored to host the 2024 ICN Advocacy Workshop on 22nd and 23rd of February in Nairobi. Nairobi is the heartbeat of Kenya, with a vibrant commercial and social hub, boasting of the world's only national park within a city. The city has a good transport network and a wide range of accommodation facilities. Delegates to the workshop can visit various attraction sites such as the Animal Orphanage, the Giraffe Center, Karura Forest Reserve, and Nairobi National Museum. We also have an array of culinary options to sample. The workshop will be held at the Emara Ole Sereni Hotel, which is 20 minutes away from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. The hotel offers a picturesque view of the Nairobi National Park as well as the city. The CAK consistently references the network's work products to enhance our regulatory capacity and ensure our interventions and policies are aligned to the international best practices and responsive to emerging issues. The CAK deliberately allocates resources to support participation in ICN workshops and conferences. Therefore, we are excited that this time round, we have the opportunity to host you in our beautiful country. The workshop provides a platform for us to take stock of intervention during crisis and a chart a way forward in terms of our regulatory capacity, institutional dispensation, our relationship with stakeholders, including governments. Under the theme, Competition Advocacy and Resilience to Global Shocks, we shall evaluate the effectiveness of existing tools to attend to socio-economic disruptions that may have a bearing in competition law enforcement. Welcome to Kenya. Karibuni Kenya.